Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Alright team, hurricane just passed through Jamaica and it do way too much damage. So we need some new ideas where we recoup back the money we spend on the things that we damage. So we need some ideas. Come on man, give me some ideas man. Don't be shy, you won't get in any trouble. You won't get in any trouble.
You sure we're not getting in trouble?
Yes man, I am positive you won't get in any trouble.
So what happened to the government? We're not getting in trouble with them.
Get in any trouble from the government? You're crazy. The only act the government have in order to prevent something like this is the OUR Act. And the maximum fine them can charge you for something like that at $2 million. That are about 13,000 USD. I mean, with phone or chopping bills, a way more than that we are going to make. So we don't have to worry about that. I am fine. I am fine with what you guys suggest. You get it? You get it now? So come on guys, you are the chopping consultants, give me the ideas. Suppose we send them more flow of electricity in them house. So much so it start flicker the lights. If them plug in no other device, like enough device plug in, it start short circuit or something, you know? So then I want, when they come to me and I say, yo, how my bill so high? We just say, a spike in electricity, we notice that for your house, you know? So when you get more electricity than normal, so that's why we charge you more. You see me, for the one fix the problem, or the call an electrician. But red shirt, that dangerous man, that can cause fire, you know? You ever know? I know that young black shirt they do to me. Your lights them a flicker and all of that place, eh? Yeah. Well, no man, red shirt. We have to go send somebody up your yard to sort that out. Cause it sound like your flux wire burn up or something. That dangerous man, we'll send somebody to check that out. So black shirt, what is your idea? How you think we can get back some of this money that we lose and gonna lose on this hurricane? Well, watch this. Fuel costs. Yeah. Fuel costs. Yeah. What about it? Fuel costs, man. That's something we always a change. Don't. So we not just tell them say the fuel costs change, man. Then we charge them more. Them can't go say nothing about that. Tell me more. Alright. So here we go now. So even before we do that, what we are going to do is, we are going to send out a public notice. And we are tell everybody, say, alright, you see if you use 150 kilowatt or less pound electricity bill this month, we are giving you a 20% discount. You see? Oh, hold on, you're crazy. We can't give them that. No, man, hear me out, nobody hear me out, man. So we are going to tell them, say, we are give everybody a 20% discount. Not everybody, you know, but everybody will meet the requirement. We are give them a 20% discount on the electricity bill. And then so boom bang. When the electricity bill come, we just go double it. And we go triple it. And we go fourple it. And you know, we are going to tell them, say, listen, the fuel cost increase. So we have to increase the cost of how much we are charging. It's the exchange rate, you know. And these things contribute to the high bill. And them can't go do nothing about it. Like the idea. We tell them say certain things happen in a hurricane where we have to switch from normal gas to now we have to use like diesel. We tell them so we switch from natural gas and we use diesel gas now. So you know, we have to charge a local premium more for the gas because hurricane everybody have face impact. So and that we could use natural gas no more or the sea free. We have to look at something here. We just put it on them bill if them question nothing and then we charge them higher. So what make people then get fed up and decide say them go solar? Them still have to use it too. Them still have to use. If them decide say them go half a grid, if they want to go get a $2 million loan from the government and put up them thing on top of their house, them still have to use it. So make them go and that no matter. That's true. So boss, what happened to the actual readings on the smart meter them? You don't think people them go question if them bill just double so? Between me and you and me, these smart meters are just as smart as who install them. So we can change the readings to misread, to read what we want them to read. So in a certain situation, certain avenues can be explored. If you understand what I say, we just adjust them setting, you know. So what if there's a little malfunction? I would probably not even have to do that either, because them whole heap of thunderstorm you want go on, them whole heap of lightning strikes you want go on, it's inevitable. Them have to lick at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, a million. Them have to lick some sort of meter to get lick. So automatically there's going to be inaccurate readings in these smart meters. So we don't have to do nothing. So boom bang, we are going to charge them for these inaccurate readings. I don't see problem. There's no problem. We don't have to do nothing. I know we cause it. We just not going to send nobody to check them and make sure so they're working properly. We just let everything continue. Wow. Wow. You guys, you did a great job today, you know. I must say, this is really why I hire you, because you guys are the best chopping consultants I know around. You know how to scam the Jamaican peoples the right way. You guys are shockingly good at what you do. It's just too bad we can't capitalize on those folks who never have no electricity, you know. Why? We can't send them no bill and them never have no electricity. Why? Send them still. Remember, it's an estimated bill. Estimated bill. Estimated bill.
Epical, yeah.
Shout out Production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.